Hello everyone, Jeremy Amiet here with Sotheby's International Realty Canada. Hard to believe, but the first quarter of 2023 is already over. So what's the real estate market doing in and around Edmonton? Essentially, we're back down to sale numbers that we were accustomed to pre-COVID. Actually healthier than that. So while it looks like the sales are down quite a bit from 2022 and 2021, they're actually still up from the few years before that. What we're noticing is the new listings coming to market are down significantly. So the lowest amount of new listings that have come to market in the first quarter, with the exception of 2020, which is the year that obviously COVID just came in, so nobody was listing that, nothing was really happening. So if you take that out, we're seeing less listings coming to market. What's a little bit strange is that typically when we see less listings come to market and still a healthy amount of sales, is that we expect prices to go up because supply and demand is out of balance. In this case, it's not so much the case. What we're seeing, the reported sale price appears to be down 10%. Now, the reported sale price, we have to remember, is not actually indicative of the value of any given home. It's just essentially the average of what everybody's spending. And what's different this year is the amount of condo sales priced below 200,000 are actually selling really, really well. So those levels, the sale numbers are still actually in line with where they were the last 2 years during the COVID years. So they're, while we're selling less average priced homes and higher priced homes, we're selling a whole lot more low priced homes, which is bringing the average price down. When it comes to homes, say single family homes priced between 350 and 800, there's actually quite a shortage of them, and so prices have not gone down on those at all. Generally speaking, what's happening is there's not a lot of them coming to market, so when a good one comes to market, they are still going to multiple offers, which is really interesting. There's certainly pockets that are a little bit slower and a little bit harder to sell. So what do I expect to happen over the course of the remainder of the year? I think it's going to be steadily, essentially what we've already been seeing, which is I don't expect to see a flurry of activity in listings, and I don't expect to see any major changes in sales. So it's essentially going to be what you could call a boring year. I don't foresee prices changing a whole lot. I think that the good homes that are in good shape and priced well are still going to sell exceptionally well, and I think that there's going to be pockets where buyers at this market in this stage are pickier than they had been over the few years, so some homes are going to be a little bit harder to sell, and that's just par for the course. So all in all, that's fairly good news, and we'll see what happens next month.